What will we do? Who will we see? It sure will be fun. That much we know. Go, go, kitties, let's go. Go, kitties, let's
go. The Kitty Express.
What do you want to play today, Kate?
I don't know. Let's look in the box.
Look, Kate, postman hats.
Ooh, we can be postmen.
Rain or snow, fog or hail.
The Kitty Express will bring your mail.
Go, kitties, let's go!
Kit and Kate jumped out of their magical box and headed off to the post office for their first assignment.
Hi there. Can I help you?
We want to be postmen.
Then you'll need to pass the postman's test. Pick up the package at this address and bring it back here before sunset. There's your deer cart. Good luck.
This'll be easy. I'll be in charge of the cart, and you'll be in charge of the package.
Great. We have to pick up a red package here at this yellow shack.
Got it. Giddy up! Whoa!
Kit and Kate drove like the wind until they reached the yellow shack on the map.
Here it is, Kate.
The instructions say to turn the handle on this mailbox. Kit, catch it! Kit, why didn't you catch it?
It's not my job, Kate. I'm the driver.
Yeah, but you could have helped. Yuck.
Come on, Kate, hop on. It's starting to snow.
Rain or snow, fog or hail,
the Kitty Express will bring your mail. Okay, dear, giddy up.
Whoa! There it is, Kit, the post office.
We'll be there in no time.
But as Kit and Kate headed back to the post office, they noticed that their cart was slowing down.
Hey, what's going on?
It's the snow, Kate. It's too hard for the deer. Let's get out and help.
Sorry, but that's not my job, Kit.
Come on, dear, pull.
All this pulling has made me so tired. That's enough for today. Oh, good night.
This is terrible.
Now we'll never be postmen.
Then along came a mysterious stranger.
What's wrong, kitties?
First, our package got soaked.
Then our deer fell asleep.
Now we'll never pass our postman test.
Why did the package get soaked?
Because it flew over Kate's head.
Well, did you try to catch it?
No, that was her job.
And why's the deer sleeping?
He got tired pulling our cart through the snow.
Well, did you get out and help so it would be easier?
No, that's his job.
But now neither of you can do your job.
Well, yeah.
Oh, I understand. Working together means helping each other.
Even if it's not your job.
Thanks, Mom.
How did you know?
Come on, Kate, let's try again. But this time, I'll help you if you need.
And I'll help you, Kit. Now we know, so back we go.
Kit and Kate started their postman test all over again. But this time, when Kate needed help doing her job...
Kit, catch it!
I got it!
Thanks, Kit.
I'm happy to help.
And this time, when the cart got stuck in the snow...
Hang on, Kit. I'll help.
Thanks.
Sure, I'm happy to help. There it is, Kit, the post office.
Hang on!
Woohoo! Rain or snow, fog or hail, the Kitty Express will bring your mail.
Congratulations. You passed your test.
You mean we're real postmen now?
You sure are. Here,
What is it?
open it.
Our very own mailbags!
Wow.
And now that they were real postmen, Kit and Kate were ready to deliver help wherever it was needed.
Where will we go? Who will we be? What What will we do? Who will we see? It sure will be fun. That much we know. Go, go, kitties, let's go. Go, kitties, let's go.
Safari so bad.
What do you want to play today, Kate?
Let's look in the box.
Look, safari hats.
And cameras. Let's go on safari.
We can take the first pictures ever of the sneaky sneaker monkey.
Yeah.
Go, kitties, let's go!
Kit and Kate could hardly wait to get into the jungle and take pictures of the sneaky sneaker monkey.
Which way's the jungle, sir?
That way. Do you have all your supplies?
Supplies?
Of course. You'll need bug cream for the swamp, hiking boots for the thorny thistles, and a flashlight in case it gets dark. They're over there.
Thanks.
Do you see the bug cream?
No. Do you see the boots?
No. Let's just go.
Yeah, we got our cameras. We don't need that other stuff.
Kit and Kate ran into the jungle swamp. Now, where was that sneaky sneaker monkey?
There she is!
Good thing we didn't wait.
Come on, after her!
But suddenly, Kit and Kate ran into something they hadn't prepared for.
Ow! Nipsey flies! Ouch!
Stop it! Ow! Ow! Ow!
If we only had that bug cream. Where did she go? Ow! Ooh.
She went that way. Come on! Ow! Ooh.
Kit and Kate finally got away from the Nipsey flies.
There she is!
Quick, after her!
But then they ran into another problem that they hadn't prepared for.
Ow! Thorny thistles! Ow!
Ow! Ow! Ow!
This hurts! Ow! Ooh, ouch!
Oh, she's getting away!
Oh, why didn't we bring those hiking boots?
She's gone. We're never gonna get her picture.
Then along came a mysterious stranger.
Hello, explorers. What wrong?
We wanted to get a picture of the sneaky sneaker monkey, but she got away.
Why she get away?
First the Nipsey flies kept biting us.
Then these thorny thistles hurt our feet.
You kitties in jungle. You need bug cream and good shoes.
We know, but it was taking so long to get them.
And we didn't want to miss our chance to take her picture.
Well, did you get picture?
We never got a chance.
Wait, I get it. If you take the time to get ready before you leave, you'll be ready to do what you want once you get there. Thanks, Dad.
How did you know?
Come on, Kate. Let's try it again.
Yeah, but this time we won't leave until we're ready. Now we know, so back we go.
Kit and Kate started their safari adventure all over again. But this time...
I found the bug cream.
And here are the boots.
And I've got the flashlights.
Now we're ready.
Not quite. Put on your bug cream.
Oh, yeah, right.
Kit and Kate headed into the swamp. But this time, when the Nipsey flies tried to nip...
Not on Nipsey flies. This time we're ready for you. Ow, bug cream.
There she is. Come on.
And when the thistles got thorny...
Faster, Kate.
No problem with these boots on.
Now, where was that monkey?
Look, her sneaker prints. She went in there.
But it's so dark inside.
No problem. We have flashlights.
Oh, yeah! Flashlights on. Hey, why are you following me?
We just want to take your picture, can we?
Sure. Here's one for you. Wow, I never saw my picture before. Can I take some of you?
Sure.
And together with their new friend, Kit and Kate had a picture-perfect day.